beautiful end to a beautiful day. Better hurry up and film because the light is fading fast. This is day 30 of the haunted house build, and I got a lot more finishing up done on the mausoleum. Mind you, this is not like a kit or something. I just came out of my brain. So sometimes you gotta do a little trial and error to fix things. So I was seeing how that sheet is going to fit over it, and once I put the frame on the top, it's actually not going to cover much down there, so I'm going to need another sheet to cover the back so it's fully dark in there to get the full effect of the goodness. And the other reason why I didn't finish tacking it up there is just to let the wind blow through there because the fall winds have finally arrived. Oh yeah. And hopefully it's not so dark that I need to turn on the haunt lights so you can see, but it's looking pretty good. These areas are totally covered, but that's not, and you can tell the difference. See how dark it is once we get in here? This is the goal right there. So, need to finish doing this one, and obviously start on the spider, more than just that little piece. But look at how dark it is in here. How about this? There, that's a better look, sort of, how dark it is. It's so much darker in person. If we finally blocked all of it out, I wanted this to look like a disheveled, house that's fallen apart. So I just instead of being tacked on the top, these are actually tacked underneath. So it looks really uneven and kind of mishmash, and that was actually on purpose. I like the look of it. It doesn't look good. It looks very disturbing. And I did all the way to here. I stopped with the top because I needed to put that right there up. It's actually been sitting right behind here for about a week because there were other things I was working on, but look. No wiggle. Okay, minor wiggle, but I don't know if you remember this thing. It was like, wee, 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 and this thing was like, wee, 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 Exactly, Kung Pao. So, there's not too much I need to do in here other than covering it all up and, fixing that little debacle. But that was just because I had the cords in the wrong place. So, they're able to move a lot more this way, which is better for what I want to do with them. Hey, look! I did a little Jimmy rigging, and now this is no longer a whack your head danger when you come out of the rat hole. And I literally mean exactly what I say. It's just a zip tie with a very large cup hanger. That's it. That's it. Obviously this one's going to be trimmed off. So this is what we got done today, the 30th day officially of the build. Sometimes if I get like a few hours here, a few hours there, I might just combine it and say it's one day, especially if we didn't get a ton done. But I'm excited. I know, you guys know I'm excited. I'm like out of my mind excited. I can't wait. I'm also freaking out too, because, it's not 100% done, and it's less than 2 weeks until we open. Oh my God. But, that's when all the magic happens, right? Right. So I'll leave you with this last look at the windblown graveyard. Again, as I said, nothing's in here permanently, which is why these, especially these larger ones, are not staying, because I haven't decided 100% where they're going, because don't forget, we're going to have tons and tons of skeletons in here. That's actually what that wood right there is for. I'm going to cut it in half at an angle and just hammer it into the ground, and hopefully that'll work, because, rebar is expensive. Actually costs more each than the skeletons did. Yeah, thanks Home Depot and Lowe's and whoever else you have giving your home supplies. Fantastic. Peace.